Welcome back to Scrively. In this tutorial, we'll learn more about working with your title page. Click into your title page and position the text as needed. Use the alignment tool to center your text when you're ready. Next, select your text to access the formatting options. Choose the font you'd like to apply. Then adjust the text size using the plus and minus buttons or by entering a custom size manually. You can also bold, italicize, or underline your text. To change the text color, choose from the available colors or enter your own custom color code. If you enter a custom color code, be sure to click Apply to save your selection. Need to change the highlight color? Select one of the available colors or enter your own custom color code. You can also apply strikethrough formatting to your text. Use superscript for raised text or subscript for lowered text. Need to start over? Click Clear Formatting to remove all text formatting. Choose your preferred horizontal alignment using left, center, or right alignment options. Not happy with your changes? Click Undo to revert them. Want to see the changes again? Click Redo. Join us in our next tutorial where we'll dive into formatting your book pages.